Yeah. Have you turned on camera? Yeah. You turn on camera. So, okay. So where were we? What we were doing? We were doing linear equation and we did the elimination and substitution method. No? Yes or no? एक पानी डाल के आया. Now I'll give one more equation for elimination. Let's see if you guys can do it or not. Okay, do this question. David, turn on the camera, please. Miracle, Rajiv, Miracle. Can you hear me, David? Miracle? Yes, Obed. Solve this with elimination. Can you solve it?
I had a question about
Please.
maths homework.
Question about
Maths homework.
match solving. Yeah.
So,
First solve it, then I will take it.
are we supposed to find out what X is?
Yeah, what is the value of x and what is the value of y? With the help of elimination method. We did the elimination method in the last class no?
Yes, sir.
With elimination. David, I'll take it out. Okay.
So, I need to leave. I'll join right now through another phone. 1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah. David, Miracle, are you there? Can you hear me, Miracle?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how will you solve this elimination method? Can you tell me?
1 minute.
Yeah. So who will tell me then? David. Can you hear me? How will you solve this?
Yeah, a bit confused. How am I supposed to make 3 and y the same? Like, do I multiply
So
3 by
first, what you have to eliminate? You just tell me. Like which x variable you want to eliminate or y variable you want to eliminate? Which variable you want to eliminate?
To eliminate 2x and 3y.
You want to eliminate x, no?
Yeah, 2x.
So if you want to eliminate x, so the first step is the coefficient should be same. Now the coefficients are not same. So we have to take the coefficient same. So if I will take the LCM of 2 and so like 2 and then 1. So the LCM will be 2 into 3, which will be 6. So it means that you will get 6 as the LCM. So now what does this mean? This means that you have to multiply the first equation.
Okay.
The first equation. Which number, beta? Which number you have to multiply the first equation? Yes, with the table of 3. And the second equation? Very good. Like this. So the first equation will become 3 will multiply with each
So
number.
how do you like how did the 3 and 2 come?
See, first, like David says that, sir, I want to eliminate the x. I want to eliminate x. Now this x has 2 coefficients and this x has 3 coefficients. They both are not same. So we have to make the denominator same. We have to make the coefficient same. So what I did, I took the LCM of 2 and 3. I got the answer as 6. Means this 2, I have to convert it into 6. So what number I will multiply? 3.
Yeah,
Because-
3.
Yeah, 3. So I multiply this whole equation with 3. In the same way, this is 3x is there. So what number I have to multiply? 2.
2.
The 2, 3 is 6, no? The 2 I will multiply with all the numbers. So I will get the same coefficients. My main vision is to make the coefficient same. Correct? No. If Obed, you got it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, David. So now what we have to do, David?
Minus 6x and minus 6x. And
First, like because they have the same sign, so we have to make the sign differ. So this will become minus, this will become plus, and this will become minus. So what it will be the answer? 6x minus 6x will be 0. Now plus 9y minus plus 14y. What is the answer?
minus 5y.
No, it won't be because plus 9y and plus 14y.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So it will become what?
20.
23y is equals to, what is the answer of this? 24 minus 14.
38.
10.
No.
No, beta.
Yeah.
See now, it's 24 and minus 14 is there.
Yeah.
Got it, David? No, you didn't get it anything.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So what it will become? The y value will be 10 upon 23. So I got the value of y. Now what we have to do? We have to put the value of y into this to get the value of x. Can you solve this? David, Miraculin, Agatha, any problem? Obey, please ask me, beta.
Sir, I couldn't
Yes,
understand
Miraculin.
the blue part. Like you like cut off the 6x.
See, why I cut off the 6x? Because I subtracted. And when I subtract it, so the minus become plus and the plus become minus. Simple as that. Okay.
Yeah.
Now this is become minus. So 6x minus 6x will be 0. That's why I cut it. Eliminate
Yeah.
it. Now this is plus 9y and plus 14y will be 23y because now the sign is changed. Are you getting
Yeah.
this? We will not take the blue one, we'll take the green one. 24 minus 14 is 10. That is how I got it. Now I got the value of y, which is 10 upon 23. I will put into this equation, then I will get the value of x.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Got it? No, still problem.
Got it, sir. Got it.
Yes, Agatha, beta. Ask me.
So, can we try to eliminate the two y's rather than the two x?
Yeah,
First-
we can. We can. Okay, I'll change my place because I'm not comfortable here. Whether we either out there. नहीं इसमें गर्म हो जाता है कूलिंग सिस्टम है ठंडा भी रहता है फिर हवा भी रहता है ठंडी yeah so you want to use y yes you want to use y means you have to make the same y so नहीं तुम नहीं खा सकते हो now the coefficients are not same Agatha what will you do beta
We multiply 7 to the first equation, that's 2x plus 3y equals 8, and multiply 3 with 3x minus 7y equals 7.
very good so what will you do so you will get equation as 14x plus 21y is equals to 8 and this will become 9x
Sir, won't
Uh,
8 times be 56?
oh sorry my bad 21y is equals to 21 correct no okay now the signs are already different so we don't have to subtract it we don't have to change the sign okay we'll simply solve this so this is plus 21 and minus 21 it will cut 14x plus 9x will be 23x and 56 plus 21 is basically the 77 so I got the x value as 77 upon 3 do क्या कुछ okay got it
Miss 77 upon 23?
yeah 23 done anybody has any doubt please ask me beta any doubt please ask me Obed you have any doubt Miraculin you want one more question
But don't we need to find out what x also was?
no you got the y you got the y
Yes, sir.
now what you have to do you have to put into this equation like 3x minus 7 into 10 upon 23 is equals to 7 understood so this will become like this 3x minus 70 upon 23 is equals to 7 now the denominator is 1 I have to make the denominator same how will I make it that it will become 23 into 3 23 threes are what is 23 threes are
What, sir?
69.
59 69x upon 23 minus 70 upon 23 is equals to 7 So it becomes 69x is minus 70 is equals to 7 into 23. So 69x minus 70 is equals to 1 and 2, 161. 69x is equals to 161 minus, plus 70. 69x is equals to 231. 231? No. Yeah, 231. So x is equals to 231 divided by 69. And if I will simplify with the table of 3, it will become 77 upon 23. So I got here also 77 upon 23 and here also 77 as 23. Got it? Say yes or no? Ovid? Miraculin? Miraculin, didn't understand anything?
Yeah, I understood, sir.
Ovid? What about you, beta?
So I understood. Yes, sir.
You want one more question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll give. Miraculin, please do this question, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here is the question.
So I can't see the screen.
Why? I got out. Just give me a second, okay? Can you see the question now?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, solve this. And Miraculin, are you there?
So we are supposed to find the value of both A and B.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
With the elimination method. Miraculin, you will help me. Unmute your mic, okay? Yes, Miraculin. Miraculin, are you there? Please unmute your mic and tell me step by step what will you do. Yes, Miraculin. The first step is choose any variable to eliminate. Which variable you want to eliminate, beta?
I want to eliminate these.
P. Okay, so the coefficients are same.
No, sir.
Are the so what you have to do, beta?
We have to find LCM.
Either you can find LCM or if you can simply multiply, you can simply multiply. So, like, what will you do to make the same coefficient? What will you do?
We will multiply, sir.
Yeah, which equation? First equation or second equation?
First equation.
With which number?
5.
5. Like if you multiply this equation with 5, so the coefficient of B will not be same, no? You want to eliminate B. And if you want to eliminate B, the coefficient of B should be same. Like here, the coefficient of B is 2, and here the coefficient of B is 1. So for what you will multiply in the 1 to get as 2?
1, sir. Multiply with
1 multiplied by 1 is 2.
like 2 multiplied by 1.
Yeah. So what will you multiply in this? Like, now listen it, okay? Now, for example, if I will write 17 here, so what number I will multiply so that I can get the same coefficient of the second equation? What number I will multiply, beta? Miracle, tell me, beta.
2, sir.
2. Very good. So I will multiply this 2. So what it will become? Tell me quickly.
5 to the 10.
Yes, 10A. Very good. Then
Like when there is nothing in front of B, it will become 1 now.
yeah,
2 into 1 is 2.
2B.
Yeah. 34. 2 into
Very good. Then second equation is 8A minus 2B is equals to 2. Now you have to check the sign. Signs are same or different?
difference.
So what will you do?
Like
The signs are same.
the plus will become minus, the minus will become plus.
No, we don't need to we know we don't need that because the signs are already opposed now. If the signs are same, then we have to do it. So if signs are not same, we will simply add it. And in addition, the sign will not change. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is plus 2 and minus 2b. What will become? 0.
Yeah, 0.
Okay. And 10a plus 8a will be?
10A, 8A will be
Tell me.
18.
Yes, very good. So it will become 18a is equals to what will become?
0. No.
0 and yeah, 34
34
plus 2.
plus 2 is 36.
Yeah. Now what will you do?
So they have different
Yeah.
sign, like plus 2b and minus 2b. So won't there be addition?
Which part, beta? This part.
No, sir. The one on the left. This part. Yeah.
So plus 2 minus 2, what the answer will be? If you will do plus 2 minus 2.
But in the last one, so what did they were one sign, one is minus, one is plus, and you had to add it.
Sir, will the answer be uh 2A like will A be equal to 2?
Yeah, that is correct. Yeah, correct, Obel. But the thing is, David, in that equation, the sign of the eliminated variable were same. That is why we were doing that thing. We were changing the sign, like minus become plus and the plus become minus. In that question. But in this question, it is already same. Are you getting this? No. The signs are already different, like plus and minus are already there by automatically. So we don't have to minus it to change the sign. The plus will become minus and the minus will become plus. No, we don't have to do that. So, Miracle, what will be the answer?
18A by 36.
Yeah, A is equals to
80.
no. 36. Now it is multiply. It will go that side. It will become divide. So this will cut and this will become 2. So A is equals to 2. Now, if I will get A2, now how will you find the B? How will you find the B? Tell me.
What's up?
How will you find D? You got value of A. How will you get D? Now you will take the value of A and you will put into this equation. Any one of them. Okay, so it will
Okay.
become 8 into,
2
yes,
equals to 2b plus 2b.
no, not equals to minus beta. It's minus sign, no?
Yeah.
It is minus sign. So that's why I wrote minus. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
So it will become 16 minus 2b is equals to 2. Now how will you solve this? Tell me quickly. How will you solve this?
Is B equal to 0, sir?
Let me check, beta. Let me check. Yes,
Like, should
Miracle.
we
How will you
minus
solve this?
16 minus 2?
Yes. No. That's why I'm saying. Like you have to tell me what you are sending. You're sending 16 to that side. You are sending 60 to that side, na? Miracle.
Yes, sir.
So if you are sending 16 to that side, the 16 is plus on the left side.
Yes.
When it will go, it will become minus. So it will become minus 2b is equals to 2 minus 16. Not
Okay,
16
okay.
minus 2.
Okay.
Are you getting this? So it will
Yes.
become minus 2b is equals to minus 14 and b is equals to minus 14 upon minus 2. If I will cut it, I will get answer as 7. So b is equals to 7 is the answer. Got it? Miracle? No.
Yes, I got it, sir.
Yeah. So Obed, how you got answer as 0b?
I did it wrongly, sir.
Say it again.
I did it wrong. Yeah.
So you understood your mistake or you didn't understand the concept?
I understood, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Shall I, yeah, David and Agatha, you have any doubt, beta? Please ask me if you have any doubt.
Sir, I only have,
Agatha,
so I only have doubt on the very first question. I mean, when I try to find y, I'm getting 10. Not 10 upon 23.
no, the 23y is equals to 10. It should come like that. It should come like that.
No, for me, y is equal to 10, not 10 upon 23.
No, some mistake you did. You have to do it again. Means there's mistake is there. Okay. We'll do one more question for more clarity.
And then, what do you mean? Huh?
David, do you have any doubt? You have doubt from the previous homework, na?
No, sir. I got it. Understood.
You got it?
Yeah.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh. So if the signs are already opposed, na David, you don't have to change it. If the signs are different, then you don't have to change it because the signs are already different. But if the signs are same, then you have to change it. Now we'll do this question. So this one, Obed will tell me how to solve this.
So there's no like common factor between 3 and 2.
Yeah. So
I mean, like, yeah.
what will you do now? If there is no common, then what will you do? What will you do?
Can you do like
First, you tell me which variable you want to eliminate. You can eliminate x or y. It's your choice, okay?
eliminate y?
Okay, you want to eliminate y. So you have to make the common. And can you take out the LCM if you are not getting any common factor between them? What is the LCM of 2 and 3?
6.
Ah, well, means you have to change this 3 into 6 and this 2 also into 6. Did you
Yes.
understand?
Yes, sir.
So what will you do now?
We'll do 2 into 2 into 3 and 3 into 2.
In first equation you will multiply it by 2 and the second equation you will multiply it by 3. You didn't get it. Means this equation you will multiply it by 2 and this equation you will multiply it by 3. You didn't get it, Obed?
I did get it, sir.
You didn't get it?
I did get it.
Okay, okay. Now this 2 will multiply with each term. It's gonna be look like this. 8x plus 6y is equals to 18. Then the
15x
second equation. Yes, very good.
x plus 6y equals 39.
39. Very good. Now what will you do?
So now we can cut 6y.
The
Yeah,
signs. Now check
no.
the sign.
We can't. It will be 12y.
Yeah. So if the signs are same, then what you have to do?
We have to add it, right, sir?
No, no. If signs are same, then we have to subtract it. If signs are different, then we have to add it. So when the signs are same, because here the sign saying signs are same, it's plus 6y and plus 6y. So what I will do? I will subtract it. And in subtraction, the second equation, the minus will become plus and the plus will become minus. Gonna be look like this. Got it? No, Obed.
Oh, yes, sir.
You didn't get it?
X.
I got it, sir.
Okay. Yes, David. You can message me.
So it will be minus
This will become 0. And this will become what?
minus 7
X
minus 7 equals minus 7x equals uh 21.
not 21. Yeah, 21. Good. Minus 21, no? Because 31 is greater and 31 has a sign minus.
Yes,
So what will become now? Final?
so it will be uh minus 21 plus 7. X equals minus
No,
21
no, no,
plus
no,
7.
no, 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 no.
Divide
No, 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 no.
divided by minus
Yes,
7.
very good. Very good. So now what will become? Minus and minus and we cut. And 7
Be
manja.
21.
I got excess. Got it? No.
Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now what will you do? You have to find a value of y. So you will put the value of 3 here. So it will become 8 into 3 plus 6y is equals to 80. So 24 plus 6y is equals to 18. Then 6y is equals to 18 minus 24. Then 6y is equals to minus 6. Then y is equals to minus 6 upon 6. If I will cut it, I will get value of y as 1. Minus 1. So I got the answer. Got it? Everyone got it? Agatha, you got it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? I will give these questions for the homework. I'm posting in the WhatsApp. Okay, guys. Did you understand? Any problem? David, Agatha, Joshua?
No, sir.
No? So I will send it. You have to do with the elimination method. Can you do it? Okay. So now you guys have 2 minutes break, 3 minutes break, then come back. We will start a cycle. Till then, bye. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
So,
Bye.
Sorry, sir. Bye, Obed, but Obed left, sir.
Okay. Come back in 3 minutes quickly.
so and
Yes, David. Yes,
sir,
beta.
some chapters you have not completed with me in maths. What you posted in the group, that plus special products and factorization and quadratic equations. You've not done that with me.
Say it again.
Special products and factorization and quadratic equations. You've not done that, those chapters with me in maths.
We are doing second chapter, no? No, I didn't get it. What are you saying? That about the test?
Yeah, some chapters are remaining, right? For Agatha's and mine's both. In
Yes,
maths
yes.
and science. So, including what we've not done with Agatha, chapter 4 and chapter 6 or so you haven't done with.
Chapter 4 I did with you, na? Special products, factorization wala chapter.
Okay, chapter 6.
Only chapter 6 is left with you. If I will check the Agatha's one, so only these chapters are left with you. Chapter 6, quadratic form. Yeah, I will do it. No problem. I'll save it. I'll send it to this Agatha because if you will send me this thing in the group, it may be. So I send it to Agatha so that I can check. Now, guys, come back in 3 minutes. Quickly come back in 3 minutes. I'm also coming. Okay, guys, come back.
Sir,
Yes, beta. Yes, Nidhi.
I have a question. How to check how many chapters will be there in TMA? How many chapters will be there in practical theory?
Okay, I'll send you the bifurcation. I have one page in which it is bifurcated. Bifurcated is divided. 40% the TMA part and the 60% main exam part. Like because Agatha joined me in October, so we did some of the chapters with Agatha.
Yeah.
So that we will do after October. So that
Okay.
because we have to complete the Agatha chapters first, no? Because
Yeah.
she has to prepare for the exam. So
Yeah,
we'll try to arrange it like this, that so that Agatha chapter will also be completed by that time, and your chapter will also completed by that time, and the Miss chapter will do it after October, so that
Okay.
you can also attend. So there won't
Yeah,
be any issue regarding it.
yeah, that's not why I asked. The other subjects that I'm doing, I needed
Hmm.
that things. So in NIS platform itself, where to find that of
Yeah,
all
which chapters,
chapters?
which subjects you're doing? Like, what are the final
Um,
subjects?
Maths, science, home science, English, entrepreneurship.
You have Rebecca ma'am number?
Yeah, I might have, but I don't know.
Rebecca ma'am, you know Rebecca ma'am?
Yeah, I heard of her, but I don't know.
Okay, Rebecca ma'am take home science, so she might have that bifurcated one. And what you need, like science and maths, I have. Rebecca
Okay,
ma'am home science.
English, home science, and entrepreneurship. Like I don't know.
English, English and home science she can provide, and the art and craft, I guess you have to
It's
check
not
it.
art. It's entrepreneurship. That
The entrepreneurship,
yeah.
entrepreneurship. Maybe you have to check it with the site. Um,
Okay. Yeah.
you have to
Or
write
like
entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship, you have to write it down so that you have to write like this, that entrepreneurship bifurcation for TMA.
okay. Yeah. I
Something
just
it will
wanted.
come.
Yeah. So January or something next year January, I'm writing future subjects. So I wanted to know which one I should study now and.
Yeah, the
Okay.
bifurcation of science and maths I will send after the class.
Okay.
Just put a reminding message if I forgot, but
Yeah.
usually I will.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, David.
The also about sciences, I wanted to say.
Say loudly, please. Yeah, I mean it's very low voice.
Sir, did you do chemical bonding with me in science?
Chemical? No. Uh, Like Agatha did when Agatha joined, she was getting a tuition from other ma'am, I guess Fatima ma'am. So she was doing that chapters with me. So she left with these chapters only, force and law. So it's not like that, David. That only Agatha chapter I will do and then I will say Tata bye to David also. David also have some chapters left. That you have to write it down and you have to send it to me personally. So that I can do your chapter also with your chapter. It's not the Agatha chapter is final for you also. Are you getting this? Okay. So you have to do like that. Yeah. So we will start today a new chapter, force and motion. So please guys, you have to be a little bit interactive. So you have to tell me the answers also. Okay, Joshua, what do you understand by force? Like what in your mindset, what is the force?
Two stuff, sir. One, a movie in force, it's like Star Wars and stuff. Second is like when you push something, you're giving a force to your
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so what do you understand by motion?
something moving.
Something moving. Okay. Okay. Agatha, what do you understand by motion?
Same, something moving.
Something moving. Okay. Nidhi, what you will define motion in your words?
Same, I think. Yeah, something more.
Like I want answer from out of the box because right now in our mind it is something moving. But what it will be like if I will say it's wrong because I will give you the example. I will give you the example also, and your definition if you are saying there's something moving, it's motion. I will say it's wrong. Okay, we'll come to that. David, what will you say about emotion?
Motion. Motion is like when something is moving. That's
Very good. So David has just joined some words like is like something moving, and otherwise it's same definition. Okay, Miracle, what about you? You want to say something out of the box about motion? Yes, I'll come back to Nidhi.
Yeah, like
Very good.
for me, like motion is like something moving, and force is like a kind of pressure.
Force is kind of pressure. Both are different things. Force and pressure both are different. Force is like we are pushing or pulling something. Okay. Pressure is like we are squeezing it to apply the pressure. So both are different things. Like not similar kind, but force and pressure both are different. Okay, Nidhi, you want to say something?
Change in position.
Change. Okay.
Change of position of the object.
Okay. Changing position. Yes. For example, if if a person, um, if for example, if a person is standing at 0 meter mark or at a position, he goes and he come back to the same place. So what's the change in position? Like in starting, it was at A. At final, he was at A. So there is no change in position. It means that it is 0. Are you getting this, Siddhi? No. So it means that change in position 0. So will it define motion? Because here he moved, as many students are saying the definition, he moved, and because of his movement is he is in motion. But according to Nidhi's definition, he was in the same position, he didn't move. There is no change in position. He didn't move. Nidhi was saying like that. So it means that it is also not correct, but yeah. Uh, I'll give some 0.5 marks to Nidhi. He thinks out of the box. Anybody else want to give any, like, if he is getting any definition of motion? No? Okay. Now I will tell you why your definition is wrong. Okay. So we'll take one example. So for example, this is a bus. Or for example, this is a railway, like it's a rail. Okay. Or bus, anything you can understand. Okay. Now, for example, this is a big window. Okay. And in this big window, two men, A and B, they are sitting in front of them. Okay. And third man, C, is standing out of the station. Okay. And the train is moving towards the left side, like this. Okay. Now, if I will talk, if I will see A, if I will A, if a person A, what person A will say? What person A will say? Because train is moving, so according to him, person B will be at west because he's just sitting in front of him. Hmm? But the person who's standing outside, because the train is moving, so what person A will say? That C is moving. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
So
But
according
says,
to A, B is at west and C as motion. So let me write it out. First, let me discuss, then I will take your thoughts. Okay. So according to A, B is at rest and C is in motion. Okay. Now, if I will talk about B person. So according to B person, who is at rest? According to B person, A is at rest because he is just sitting in front of him, but C is in motion. Are you getting this, Agatha? No. Hmm? No? Ask me, Agatha, if you have a doubt.
No doubt.
No,
Sir,
no. You
sir,
no,
can
no,
you
no, I didn't understand. Yeah.
can you repeat the thing again?
Yeah, according to B, because B is just sitting in front of him, no? B is just sitting in front of him. So B is at rest. Okay. And C is in motion. Why C is in motion? Because the train is moving. And when train is moving, it will look like that he is moving, no? His position is changing according to us because we are in the motion. Are you getting this? And according to C, what it will look like? Joshua, what will it look like according to C?
He's not in motion.
Yeah, C is in not in motion, but A and B, they are in motion because they are moving with the train. Are you getting this? So according to C, A and B are in motion. So what does this mean? This means that the motion is not only about the moving, it's about the reference point also from where we are seeing. Because each one is giving their motion different definition. According to A, B is at rest and C is moving. According to B, A is at rest and C is moving. And according to C, A and B both are moving. So this means that motion is not only about the moving of object, but motion is about the reference point where you are seeing. From where you are seeing. From what is the point of reference? Like, yes. Now I will ask you the question, please.
So,
Mm.
about relative
Say loudly. Say loudly, Nidhi.
can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, relative point is not
Now say it again. Miracle, your voice is coming. Yeah.
a
Yes.
relative point, a relative motion. This is relative motion.
Yeah, it's like now because the motion is not only about moving, motion is also a relation. You have to find a relation from where you are seeing. Okay, the point of reference. Then only you can define the motion.
So,
Yeah.
if you want to find
Miracle?
if you want to find out motion, you have to find the point of motion.
Yeah, point of reference.
Point of reference.
Yes, Miracle. Miracle, any doubt? Okay. Agatha, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. My PDF is not changing, no?
Sir?
Yeah.
So actually only A and B are in motion.
Yeah, actually only A and B. Like if I will be like, for example, if I am out of this, like from the image, like God is seeing us, like in the same way, if I will see this picture, so A and B is in motion and C is in rest. Okay,
sir.
C is in rest. But according to A, C is in motion.
Okay, sir.
So like point of reference is different. Are you getting this? So force, what is force? Force is like motion, we got it. Okay, motion, we got it. And now we will learn about the force. What is force? Force is pushing and pull. Force is pushing and pulling of the object. If you will push it, if you will pull it, then you will find it out it's a force. Are you getting this? So we'll read this. Joshua, can you read this?
If we place a ball on a flat surface, it will remain there unless we disturb it. It will move only when either we push it or pull it. This push or pull acting on an object is known as force. What else happens when we apply force on a object? Think. Let us do an
Okay,
activity.
if you wish, yeah, read it. We'll read this activity. Yeah.
Hold an inflated ball between your palms. Now apply force on it by pressing your palms. Balloon, sorry. By pressing your palms. Figure 10.1. What do you observe? You observe that on pressing the balloon, its shape changes. Thus, we can say that applying force, the shape of the body can be changed. Can you now think of some other effect of force? While playing football, if you want to change the direction of the moving ball, you will kick the ball. You will kick the ball in a particular direction. When you kick the ball, you apply certain force to the change of the direction of the moving ball. Similarly, you can change the speed of a moving object by applying force on it. For example, the speed of a moving bicycle can be changed by applying brakes on it. Thus, on the basis of above examples and activities, we can say that the force applied on an object can make the object move from rest, change the speed of a moving object, change the direction of motion of object, and change the shape of the object. Now it is the time
Correct.
to assess how much you have learned.
Yeah. So if the force of the object, like if you are putting a force, for example, who follows football? Who is
I do,
Messi?
sir.
Who's saying that Messi is a goat?
He's not the goat.
Yeah, he's not a goat. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So we have two debaters. One is saying Messi is a goat, and second one is saying Mbappe or Ronaldo is a goat. Okay. So basically, if you will see when Messi kick is okay, like for example, Mbappe give a pass to Messi, and Messi just give a little force and change the direction of the ball. Correct? Who follows cricket? Who follows cricket?
I do, sir.
When batsmen just hit it, just with the bat, the ball direction, the ball which is coming against it, it will go in another direction. It's because of force. Nidhi and Agatha, what you follow?
Nothing.
No game, not at all.
Badminton.
Badminton.
Yeah, badminton.
Badminton is also an example in which where the shuttlecock which is coming in front of you, just give it force by the racket, and the shuttlecock will go to the other court. Agatha, what you play?
Play
Any games that you follow?
any sport. Yeah, badminton.
Badminton. So badminton is the same
Cycling.
answer. Miracle? Cycling. Cycling, you are putting a force to the pedal, and the pedal makes the cycle to move. So this is the thing what happens when you will put a force. So you have to put a star mark in this because they can ask you what are the consequences of the force or what are the results when you will apply a force. So you will make an object to move from rest. If object is at rest, it will start to move. Now, for example, David is just doing a cycling, and he forgot to like his brake is not working. What David will do? David
Use his legs.
will use his legs to stop the like when he's putting his leg on the ground. When he's putting his force on the ground, that makes the cycle to stop. Hmm? So, if the object is moving, if object is moving, it will come to rest also. Rest of the speed change also. Change the direction of the ball. Yes, we learn about the Messi and the Ronaldo and Mbappe. Change the shape of the object also. Like if you will press the balloon shape will be changed. So it's all about the force. When you will apply the force, these things will happen. Are you getting this? Miracle? Agatha, this is homework.
Sir, I have a question, right?
Please.
If you say take biology as example, is there any force involved in the biology, any chapter or anything?
In biology,
Yeah. Like any thing.
any example of biology of force?
Yeah, of force. Yeah, exactly.
Mm, we can say that one
Can we take
example.
the thing like syringe when we are actually taking or putting Is that force?
Yeah, we are just putting a force on the needle, and because of that, the solution is going inside the body. Okay.
Yeah, I wanted to know if biology and physics is like
Yeah.
actually involved together.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So, like heart is putting the force on the blood, and because of that, the blood is moving. So this is all the example of force. Now, basically, the force are of two types. Okay, the force are of how many types? Two types. First is first is balance force, and the second one is unbalanced. First is balance force, and the second one is unbalanced. Now, what do you mean by balance? So, before starting the balance force, I will start. I will ask you one question. There was the four gym, like heavy weight gym persons, like Hatte Katte, like very healthy. The four persons, they were just pushing a small car. Okay, small. They are very like they have good muscles, biceps, triceps, and abs and everything. And they are just pushing a small car. That small car, if Joshua will push, that can move. That much small. But the four gym trainers, they are putting a force, and the car is not moving. Why?
They're not balancing force.
No. I'm just asking. No, not balance. Simple answer that.
They're not
Why
applying
the car?
force.
No, they are applying force. They are pushing hardly, and they are giving 100% of their strength. But still, the car is not.
Okay. Question. Is this a trick question or simple question?
No, simple.
Okay. And how small is the car?
I mean, normal car. Anybody?
Normal car is approximately 1 ton, 1 to 2.
Yeah, that much scale. Like if I will and Joshua, hey Joshua, if me and Joshua will push it, then it can move. But the four gym trainers, they are not able to do it. Why?
It depends on if the handbrake is up or if somebody's pressing the brake or something.
Nothing is there. No handbrake, no brakes are there.
Then
Still,
me
it's
and
not.
my brother could do it.
Huh?
Then me and Jahan could do it.
Yeah, you can do it, but the four gym trainers are not doing it. Why?
This is seriously a tricky question.
It's not tricky question. No, they are not weak. They are
Is it
hatta
is it
kata.
glued to the like a
No
rod?
glue. No glue, nothing.
They are not using force.
They are using force. They are pushing hardly with 100% of their strength.
David, we
pushing the
need
right way.
backup.
Oh, I think I know. One person is pushing on one side, the other person is pushing on the other side.
Yes. So it means that two persons are pushing from this side and two persons were pushing from this side. So because they have the equal strength, they are putting their force here and they are putting their force here.
You didn't say that.
I said four gym trainers. Yeah. So
Oh,
I
goodness.
said four gym trainers.
See, I told you
So-
it was trick. There was a trick involved in this question.
No, it's not trick. So like they have their strength, but they do not have their common sense. Okay. They like if they will push it from one side, obviously the car will move. Okay. But the thing is, they are pushing like two people are pushing from front, and the two are pushing from back, and because of that, the car is not moving. So these types of force are called as balance force. That you are putting a force, but the result is nothing. Are you getting this? These types of force is called as balance force. Any more example of balance force? tug of war. When you are playing tug of war in starting, the rope is not moving. The flag is not going here and there. That is tug of war. That is also example of balance force. But after sometimes, if one team lose the strength, the other will pull it, and the rope will move. That is become the unbalanced force. So balance force is the force which is applied on an object, but it won't change. Like if the object is at rest, it will remain at rest. If object is moving, the object will remain move. If object is like there is no result. There is no result in that. Okay, that is called as balance force. And what is unbalanced force? Like for example, if you can see, this is a cup in front of you. Can you see this? This is a cup in front of you. If I will put a force in it, now the cup is moving to one place to another place. Okay, I can't push more because it will fall, and otherwise, then my mama will give me a like her hand will fall on my cheek. Okay, so if I will push this, this is called as unbalanced force. But if I am like a gym trainer who do not have common sense, I can do like this. I'm pushing, like it's my two hands are there. I'm pushing, but still it's not moving because of that. So this is called as balance force. Are you getting this? What is balance and unbalanced force, Agatha? No? Agatha, can you hear me? No?
So can you explain a balance force once again, like in one line?
Like this is the balance force example in which they all are pulling with the same strength and same force. They are doing their force part, but the rope is not. This is called as balance. Okay? Yes.
So I understand what's balanced force and unbalanced, but thing is, when you have a like 2 mark question, each 1 mark, how to write it in a sentence that this is
It's there.
definitely
It's there in the book. We'll read it and then you will get it. I'll tell you what to mark. Okay. So Joshua, can you read this from here?
Which one? This one. Okay, sir. Have you ever seen a game of tug of war? Figure 10.2. In this game, when two teams pull with equal force, they apply balance forces on the rope. The rope thus remains stationary. When one of the teams applies greater force, it is unable to pull the other team and the rope towards it. It is able to pull the other team and the rope towards their side. In this case, forces are unbalanced. For understanding the concepts of balance and unbalanced forces, let us perform the following activity. Alvin, sir?
Yeah, read it.
Place a brick on a table. Push the brick towards your left with your left hand. What do you observe? The brick begins to move to the left direction, figure 10.3a. Now push the brick towards your right with your left hand. In which direction the brick moves this time?
Yeah, you can see in the first figure, like he's putting force from the right side. So the brick is moving towards the right side. And then
Sir.
from the left side, it's moving to left side. And the third is he's
Sir.
putting on the both sides, the
Sir.
brick is up. Yes,
Agatha is not able to see the PDF.
Agatha is not able to see the
PDF.
why? Is it with everyone? Okay. No, Agatha, just let me. Okay. Now just follow me.
I am following.
Follow one more time. Unfollow and follow it. Then again. First unfollow me.
I did that.
Then follow it again. Now can you see it?
Now.
Can you see the tug of war picture and 3 bricks?
No. You
Then
can.
join it again. Join it again. Okay, so we read this. Oh no, yeah, yeah. What peachy. Okay. Now we'll read this. Joshua, can you read this?
Now you push the brick back. Now you push the brick from both sides with equal force. Figure 10.2c. What do you observe? In this case, you will observe that the brick does not move in any direction. Can you think why the brick does not move this time? In fact, in this case, the two forces balance each other. Such forces are called balance forces. What type of changes can be produced
So
by
underline this. Underline this. In case two forces balance each other is called as balanced force. Can you see it, Agatha, now?
Yeah, I can see it now. Is there anything to see in the previous page?
The previous I didn't give any underline. Like it just we just read it.
Okay, okay.
Read it, Joshua, again.
In this case, the two forces balance each other. Such forces are called balance forces. What type of changes can be produced by balance forces? As seen above, balance forces do not change the state of motion of state of rest or motion of the object on which they are applied. Now we call the activity 10.1 and think whether it is balanced or unbalanced. Unbalanced or balanced force of the balloon.
Yeah, read it.
So the Hardik is there. So
Okay,
force of the
so
balloon.
you basically, if you will go to the right side, then you can remove the collaborator cursor. If you will remove the collaborator cursor, you can't see my cursor. Read it.
Yes, you are right. It was the balance force applied by your pumps that changed the shape of the balloon. What happens when the two opposite forces acting on the brick are of different magnitudes? In this case, the brick will begin to move in the direction of the greater force. Such forces are called unbalanced forces. Unbalanced
Underline
forces.
An unbalanced force acting on it may.
Unbalanced forces acting on an object may change its state of rest or motion.
Correct. So balance force does not change the shape or does not change the situation of the object, but the balance force, the unbalanced force, may, like if it exists, it will. If object is moving, it will become like. Got it, Miracle? Any problem? Miracle, any problem? No. Okay. So we'll end this class. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Then we'll meet on tomorrow. We'll do the inertia. Yes.
One thing like I can't join the class till Thursday because I'm going for a youth camp.
Okay. So after coming from youth camp, please check the video. Then it will, like, if you're not checking it, then it will pile up. The thing is,
Yeah.
this part will pile up. So you have to check the videos. And then if you have any doubt, then you can ask me on next Monday. So from June, there'll be holidays. But May, we will have regular. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Sayonara. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Bye, bye.
thanks for the
Bye,
class.
Gata. Bye, Miracle. Bye,
Thank
David. Bye.
you. Bye.
Joshua.
Bye, everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye. Joy.